There are two favorite tools that I'm using right now, two favorite AI tools that made me create basic apps, basic games, anything that I want to build, they build. Any tool that I want to build, they build for me. There's two websites that I go to. Number one is Canva Coding, Canva AI for coding. And number two is Lovable. If I need something simple, okay, I go for Canva. But if I need something that, a bit more extreme, more functional, more demanding when it comes to functionality, then I go for Lovable, okay? And this is how I built all the tools that I made for you guys, just like the Barangay VA planner that I just gave the other day. I used Canva AI for that. When it comes to our new home, our new platform, which is Barangay VA Community, I created it using, Lovable AI. These are two tools that I have been really mastering on my own because it can make anything that I want. Really, I don't mind like sitting down one day doing that the whole day, experimenting and creating more tools because I don't know how to code and it codes for me and it's making it happen for me. And maybe you guys can explore that too. Maybe you guys can create your own app or games using that. And in the future, maybe sell it to other people. I don't know. If ngayon, what's popular are digital products to be sold online as a passive income. Maybe if we learn how to maximize these coding apps, and maybe we can sell like digital tools. 'Di ba? Baka ma-level up. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do. And this is what I'm gonna try for 2026. I have been doing everything for free for my audience. Maybe this time, do something that will reward me with my passion in return through selling digital tools using these websites. So again, Canva AI for coding and Lovable. Check that out. Let me know if you guys are using that too. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!